Hello everyone. So in this session we are going to study about the population explosion. So in the last sessions we studied about the introduction of reproductive health, and with that we also studied about the problems and strategies. So I guess you have completed the problems and strategies of reproductive health. Still so many of you are not submitting the keynotes of the chapter. Please do submit, otherwise you'll receive a call from the college. So with this we'll move on to the reproductive health. In this chapter, as we saw, there are five contents. The first one is introduction, problems and strategies. The next one is population explosion and birth control. In this session, we will be speaking or describing about the population explosion. What is that population explosion? The term indicates increasing the population. Human population, increasing the number of human population, it indicates the population explosion. Why it is increasing to an alarming rate? What is the reason behind it? Who discovered first? We have to calculate the humans per number, so that we'll come to know how many populations are there in this state and how many population are there in that state. So we'll see the history of the population first. We'll move on to we'll just see the figures of the population. Okay, so with that we'll find out the reasons for that human population. I guess you know about the reasons behind it, why the population is increasing. Not only we can't give only one reason, there are so many reasons are there. So we'll see that one by one, and then after that we'll learn how to control this human population. There are some methods to control the human population. We'll see that first. So the thing is, population explosion. One term is there saying demography. Demography is nothing but statistical study of human population. Okay, statistical study of. So statistical study is overall human population we are going to count, but we need an exact information. We need exact number of humans. To that we can't follow the demography. To count the exact number of humans, there is one more concept, there is one more term is there, naming census. Census, it is a term or it is a procedure. So this is the procedure. It is done by the government. It is a systematical procedure which collects the information of human beings. It collects the information of human beings. So it is a procedure of systematically collecting the information of humans. So that is the term indicates the census. It means this. The census is done at every 10 years and every 10 years. So the very closest census done in the year of 2011. This is the latest census. Latest means we are in 2020, but the very close census we can say that done in the year of 2011. Okay, so it was first started in the year of 1871. The census procedure started in the year of 1871. In 1871, the government started calculating the number of human beings. So, the latest information officially collected of human beings in the year of 2011. By that time, Indian population was 1.2. So, 1.2 what? Billion. 1.2 billion. What's the further procedure for this? If we want to know the population of present situation, how can we calculate? We can only estimate the human population. We can't give exact data because the exact data should be collected from the official data collected from the or which is having in the census department. But what we can do, we can only estimate. Estimation means in the year of 2012 maybe the population it has increased to 1.3 billion, like that we can estimate. And so what we are having here, so this is the latest census data what we are having in the government profiles. So this is the 2011 is the 15th census. 15th census. Right from the 1871 till the 2011, there are 15 censuses already done. Till 15, how many billion peoples we are having? How many human beings are there in the India? 1.2 billion. So this is regarding to India. If we calculate the population of humans of overall world, in world, let me tell you, in the year of 1900, the world population was like 2 billion. Around 2 billion of human beings were there, and then in the year of 2000, it has crossed to 6 billion. In the year of 2001, 7 billion, like that, it is keep on growing, it is keep on increasing. So, we'll see. So, with this, the human population, we have one more interesting concepts in sense, the government, what it declared in the 2001, what it said, what the government said, what the census program, action plans and program said, the human population, it will keep on increasing, doubling time, it will increase double a time, doubling of population in every 33 years. It means whatever the figure we are having in the year of 2001, it will get double after 33 years. So the population is increasing in the alarming rate, very fastly it is increasing. Later on, again the action plans or the government or those who are in the census, those who are following the procedure of census, again they announced in the 2011, the population it will get increase only in 30 years. At the 14th census, what they said, the population it will get double in the 33 years, but the time, this period, it got reduced to 30 years. It means what? The period of doubling of population is coming down. It means what? The population is increasing in an enormous rate. So what is the reasons behind it? Why the population is increasing to this much extent? So we'll see the reasons of that. So first you have to learn, what you have to learn here, the census. So census, these are all not given in your book, only for your extra information I have written on the board, but this you have to, from here you have to calculate, or from here you have to learn population explosion. They have started in the year of 1871, so very latest information of human population collected in the year of 2011. That time it was 1.2 billion, and world population, and the doubling of population for every 33 years. So these are all the things you have to keep this in mind. So with this we will find out the reasons behind it. Reasons for population explosion. The very first reason I would like to mention here is better health services. So the very first reason is better health service. The better health service means we have a very good medical sciences. We have number of treatment and medicines, everything we are having in our medical sciences, so that no one is aware of that low diseases or low symptoms or syndromes. So everyone is getting cure of any kind of diseases. Few diseases are there, but it is uncurable, but they are searching the medicines for those diseases or symptoms, but 90% or almost diseases it is getting cured. So that's why for only that purpose the population is increasing to maximum extent. So the second reason we can give here is better lifestyle. So let me tell you one more thing here. Because of the better health services, the lifespan of humans, it is increasing. Lifespan means 70 to 80 years or 90 years the humans are living their life. Why? Only because of the better health services. One more thing is better lifestyle. So this is also one reason behind it. The third one is decrease in infant mortality rate. Infant mortality rate, in short IMR, infant mortality rate. Infant mortality rate means in the previous years, however the newborn it takes birth, that child, that infant, it dies. Why? Because of the poor health services, because of the low medicines provided to at that situation. But nowadays the mortality in sense death rate. The infants, they are not dying, they are living their life. So this is also one reason, but in the earlier years it was not like that. In the earlier years, the delivery it used to take place in the home itself, in home, because of the lack of medicine, because of the lack of awareness. The infants used to die because of different reasons. But now the doctors, they can easily find out what is going on in the infant heart or anything else. If any difficulties occur, the doctors can come out from those problems or calamity, or sorry, not calamity, difficulties. So the rate or mortality rate, it become declining or decreasing. So this is also one reason for the population explosion. One more is there, that is decrease in maternal mortality rate. Maternal mortality rate in sense MMR. Maternal mortality rate means mortality, that keep that in mind, it is a death rate. Mortality rate is death rate. So during parturition, the mothers also dies. Sometimes they also dies in the previous years because of the poor supply of medicines and all. But nowadays no one is taking risk. Maximum of the parents, maximum of the ladies, they are giving birth to their young ones in the hospitals or under better health services. So because of this, the death chances are less. So that is one reason behind the population explosion, decrease in maternal mortality rate. So these are the reasons for population explosion. Finding the population explosion reason, that is not the good criteria. What we have to do, we have to find out the solution for that. What is the solution for that? As we are not saying we have to die because to reduce the population explosion, to reduce the population. So we have to find out, we are the persons, we are well educated, we can aware other persons or other society. How we can aware the society, how we can control the population explosion? So that I'll tell you, that comes under birth control. Only this is the concept, or this is only the thing we can come out with this. So in the reasons we saw a better health services and a good lifestyle, better lifestyle, and decrease in IMR and decrease in MMR. I forgot to tell you one more reason is there, that is the fifth reason, increasing in reproducible age persons, age humans. Reproducible age humans, if these type of humans, if these age humans, if they are more in number, they used to reproduce more. The young ones, the offsprings, they can reproduce more in number. So this is also one reason behind it. Reproducible age means, so this is the age where a person can give birth to the young one, or they can release the male gamete and female gamete. So these type of, or these age humans are more in number. That is also considered as one reason for the population explosion. So by taking that example, sorry, not the example, that by taking one reason, we can control the population explosion. Okay, so this population explosion controlled only by means of birth control. What we have to do here, how we can control the birth, so that we'll see in the next session. So today's session and yesterday's and day before yesterday's, take down the homework for these 3 sessions. Later on we'll discuss related to, or the concept of birth control. So the first one is, the first question related to day before yesterday and today's sessions. Describe the problems of reproductive health. Second one, give a brief account on strategies of reproductive health. And the third question is, write a note on population explosion. So in the population explosion, I am telling you, you have to give a brief account instance right from the year when they have started, 1871, right from that point till the reasons for population explosion. You have to write it in the answer for the third question. So birth control we'll see in the next session. Thank you.